So you want to be a dungeon master for the first time, but you don't know where to begin. So you pull out your smartphone and begin to type how to be a good dungeon master. Upon reading the vast amount of information you've looked up, you now realize you're in over your head and have no idea what the f you are doing. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. First, you need to get the player's handbook. This book gives you all the basic rules you need to know on running the core game on things such as combat, character creation, and role-playing. Next, you'll need the Dungeon Master's Guide. This guide will help you develop and create a unique world and adventures for your players to adventure through. Then you'll want to get the Monster Manual, which is full of hundreds of monsters you can use in your campaigns. If you decide to run a pre-built campaign, you can always buy one of the many modules that Wizards of the Coast makes as well. And let's not forget about the various expansions for the game as well. Also, you need dice. And you can get a playmat for some visual representation. And if you get a playmat, you'll probably need minis as well. And you might as well get some terrain while you're at it, because you've already spent a couple $100 on all the materials, so get some terrain to go with your games. Or if you're like me, you can watch my videos on crafting terrains, which is what I do, because I'm the Crafty Halfling. Subscribe! Once you have all the required items, you're ready to read up on all the materials, and after a few hours you'll wonder why you spent so much money on all this, as well as having a dark feeling of being overwhelmed by a ridiculous set of rules, so you decide to just wing the entire thing instead. After you learn the basics, you want to figure out what kind of campaign you want to do. Module or homebrew. Modules are pre-built campaigns with everything written out, so you can just be lazy and have no creative effort. Homebrews are your own personal campaigns, which you can spend hours and hours working on only for your players to completely destroy and crush all of your dreams you had in mind for this perfect little world you've created. Next, you'll need friends, but not regular friends. Friends that are going to completely disregard any story information you've given them and just ruin your game. Wait, what?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Don't worry about people not getting along at your table. Everybody will be sure to agree on one solid solution for all the problems at one time.
Alright, you come up upon a guy. He's looking pretty distraught, standing next to a well. What are you going to do?
I'm going to walk up to him, quietly.
I'm going to kidnap him. You know, because then we can interrogate him, find out all the information we want.
No.
We don't have to, you know, go around tactics and everything,
No.
you know?
You know, I think, I'm just going to slit his throat.
No.
What? roll,
No.
do it, yeah.
No.
27?
Oh my god. Why?
Nice,
Yeah.
good job.
Oh, let's throw his body down the well.
Oh my god, I'm done. If you don't know all the rules right away, it's fine, because chances are your playgroup is already super familiar with most of the rules and regulations.
My proficiency bonus. Come on.
No, you don't add your proficiency bonus in. You just add your strength in.
No, you add your strength and your proficiency bonus.
No, you add your strength only. Your
No,
proficiency only goes to the hit.
No,
yeah, it totally only goes. It only goes to the hit.
You're proficient with the weapon. You
No, that's not right.
I'm telling
That's
you,
not right.
right.
Proficiency only goes to the strength of it.
It's
I want to see. We'll see who's right.
It's in the book. It's proficiency only goes to the strength. It doesn't go to damage.
He's right.
I told you. What?
And don't worry, your players are never going to argue with each other, because they're a team of brothers that are working together towards the same common goal.
Alright, I got a nat 20.
That's a 2.
Alright.
No, it's not 20.
That's a 2.
It was a nat 20. It was a nat 20.
That was a 2. You just moved it.
I didn't move it.
You just moved it. Why do you keep cheating on this?
I'm not cheating.
Why are you doing this?
I'm not cheating. I got a nat 20.
You just cheated. That was a 2. That was a 2. You gotta stop cheating.
I haven't cheated.
Stop.
There. Where'd your guy go? He's gone. He's gone.
Where's my mini at? Where's my mini at?
I guess he died. I guess he died. I guess that's what happened. Yeah, I guess he died. Completely.
That's Dragon Ball. No.
You know.
Yeah.
Why are you rooting for him? He rolled a 2.
Okay. You come upon a village. What are you going to do?
I'm going to enter the village.
Okay, and what about you guys?
My hand's killing me. Can I see that ice pack?
You motherfucker.
All your friends are united for a night of fun and adventure, and the best part about being a DM is knowing at the end of the night, it was you that brought everyone together. You, my friend, are the Dungeon Master. Through D&D, you'll grow some of the best friendships ever. Endless nights of laughs and stories. D&D just isn't about rolling dice, it's about the memories and the bonds you'll continue to grow your entire life with some of the best people you've ever met. It's not just a game, it's a way to become closer to your friends than you could ever imagine.
Guys, please, no.
20, do it!
No.